get that mediation, the intervention first fight, because that will be the quickest way, because the court is
segregating the garbage, and we were not paying the garbage contractor. The segregating part, the person was paying the garbage contractor. That was our policy over there. So I know what is profit over there on the garbage. So nothing more to say.
First of all, I would not like to begin
It is going to be a disaster not only for Saligaon, not only for Gorda, Kandali, Saike, Nehru, but it is going to be a disaster for the tourism industry which is flourishing in Kandali, Kandali coastline. It is going to be a disaster. आणि हे लक्षात धरून आम्ही आयोजनाची मीटिंग केली ती फ्रुटफुल आम्ही करतले हे फुडें विचार करून फुडें पावल घालपाचें गरज जर आयज आमी ते स्टॉप करिना नेवर वी विल एबल टू थँक यू वेरी मच
to be consumed as fuel. Now, if these plants are going to function like this, currently there will be more than 50,000 tons of plastic lying there. If 100 tons per day has accumulated 50,000 tons of plastic, 250 tons per day, can you imagine how much of plastic will be lying there? All
सालिगांवचे लोक खुबशे रमेश सालिगांवचे सगळे जाण सांगतात की हांगासर सालिगांवान बायोपिटर जाल्लेलो आसा तेवटेन पिलेनान बायोपिटर जाल्लेलो आसा सारक्या बायोपिटर जाल्लेलो आसा मे बी डिफरंट रिजन्स आसूंक शकता ताका पूण आयज जर ह्या प्लांटाची कॅपॅसिटी 100 वयल्यान जर 250चेर येयली जाल्यार ह्या प्लांटाचेर खूब लोड येतलो आनी बायो कितें आसूं सगळ्या दृश्टीन आमकां ग्रावंड वॉटर टेबल आसा ते पिड्ड्यार जाल्लेले सगळ्या दृश्टीन आमकां लॉसूच आसा.
This plant should not have come on this plateau in the first place. I had objected to this even prior to them setting this up. So this was German technology or European technology. This type of plants work in that climate. Our climate is different because our garbage starts smelling very soon. We were promised that there will be no smell at all in this. There it is segregated garbage in Europe. Here we are putting the garbage all together, and they promised that it will be segregated at the plant, but it is not happening. So as a result, what has happened is all the leachate is going into Orda, Saipe, it is coming to Kalangut, and is going to create a lot of disease in the whole village. So and Michael has changed his stance, because first he said he will not take garbage more than 100 tons from anywhere. Again now he is saying that it is for the whole of Goa. So this is basically only his for a kickbacks from the plant operator. And in the assembly also, when this plant was put, there was a discussion on this, saying that this is a scam. I had maintained that this is a big scam, and it is proved that it is a scam, and it is going to destroy the whole of Kalangut village, Kandali village and Saligaon.
सालिगांवच्यान गार्बेज जर हाडीत जाल्यार कितें जातलें आनी ऑल्सो द प्रेझेंट ऑपरेशन्स जी जाता सालिगांवान ती प्रेझेंट ऑपरेशन कशी जावची सालिगांवकारांक त्रास जायनासतना कशी जावची हे सगळे इश्यूज आयज हांगासर डिस्कस जाले. देर वॉज अ बिग गॅदरींग.
सेकंडली आयज IRT अपोज करपाक वाळपयची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलेली 4 जाणांची थंयसर आयज अरेस्ट केला 4 जाणां. सो गव्हर्मेंटाक जाय तेन्ना जाता पयर फेब्रुवारी 10 जाण 8 जाण बसले ते गव्हर्मेंटाक जाय आसले म्हणून तांकां फुडें करून ती प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवंक लागलेली पंचायत मेंबरांची. देन देर वॉज नो ऑब्जेक्शन, देर वॉज नो प्रॉब्लम. आतां जो लास्ट उलयला उमेश ताणें एक पॉयंट सांगलो तो हांव फाटले फावटी आमच्या कम्युनिटीन जे मिटींग जाल्ली आमची तेन्ना उलयलो की देर इज अ प्रोविजन ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट that each municipality has to have a garbage plant, right? So now when we are concerned in Bardez, Mapsa is our capital of Bardez. So Mapsa municipality has to have a garbage plant. Then all the villages should dump there. It is not that we have to have in every village. Village takta asa lukkarta. But these people don't want to accumulate this garbage in there because government has earmark केला आसा, जागो दिल्लो आसा, प्रत्येक municipality जागो दिल्लो आसता. जागो दिल्लो आसा. हय. सो तो जागो वापरूंक जाय. जागो वापरूंक जाय पूण एक कित्याक करिना हांकां नवो प्लांट काडटकूच मागीर
विदाउट गोईंग विदाउट टेकिंग द मॅन्डेट ऑफ द पीपल. तर म्हाका दिसता ही गरज आसा आनी आतां आय हॅव सीन द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर्स स्टँड लिटल सॉफ्टेड ऑन दिस इश्यू. दॅट ही फील की आपूण जर लोकांचे सेंटिमेंट्स आसा जाल्यार आपूण त्या प्लांटाक एक्सपान्शनाक वचना म्हणून आय होप आयकलो की तूं लोकांचे सेंटिमेंट्स आनी आयची मिटींग फाटी लोक गॅदरींग करले हेंचे सेंटिमेंट्स कन्सिडर करतलो आनी ह्या प्लांट एक्सपान्शनाक तूं हांगासर फूल स्टॉप येतलो म्हणून. आनी आमची मागणी आसा की जे ट्रक्स हांगा जाता प्रॉमिस केल्ले पळयतात कॉम्पॅक्टर्स. जर एक कॉम्पॅक्टर आनी वन कॉम्पॅक्टर कॅन डू वर्क ऑफ 10 ट्रक्स, 10 ट्रकाचे एक कॉम्पॅक्टर कॅन केटर टू 4 विलेजीस सराउंडींग. कॉम्पॅक्टर जर घालीत जाल्यार इतले इश्यू जावचे ना. कॉम्पॅक्टराचो प्रपोजल इज देअर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द WMC. The Waste Management Corporation has this proposal of putting up the compactors. The compactors will go around, no foul stench, no leakages, and segregated garbage will come segregated after the plant. मधी वाटेर कोणी अडवना, मधी वाटेर अडवून सेग्रिगेट करून करतना, मधी वाटेर कसले दुसरे बिझनेसीस जे जाता पळय ते
सगळे आयले हांगासर आनी आमकां तांणी आपले स्टेप हातून सांगले की आमी एक्सपान्शनाचेर अगेन्स्ट आहा, आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा ह्या एक्सपान्शनाचेर एंड वॉट एवर इट इज वी शूड बी युनायटेड इन दीस थिंग एंड वी शूड नॉट अलाव द एक्सपान्शन ऑफ सालिगांव प्लांट. इफ द गवर्नमेंट रियली वॉन्ट्स अ प्लांट दे कैन हैव इट इन सम अदर प्लेस. वी आर ओके विथ द एक्सिस्टिंग प्लांट बट एनी expansion of the plant will not be accepted. My humble request to the government, please look into the problems faced by the people of Saligaon as well as the neighboring people of the village. आमकां जायते प्रॉब्लम्स फेस जाता विथ द एक्सिस्टिंग प्लांट. आमकां आनीक प्रॉब्लम करी नाकात. आमकां उदकाचे प्रॉब्लम जाला, रस्त्यांचे प्रॉब्लम जाला, वास एकदम सोसूंक जायना कहो जाता. तर आमचेर प्लीज आनीक एक्सपान्शन करून हे प्रॉब्लम्स आमचे वाडय नाकात.
आमी आतां कोणाक मेमोरेंडम दिवपाक आसा?
येस, लेटिंग टू कीप अ मेमोरेंडम टू द CM. आमी आपयलेले, आमी सगळ्यांक आपयलेले. तर कांय कारणाक लागून कोण हांगासर आदीसान पावंक ना. पूण मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हॅव कम हियर.
don't think that I am trying to say that they should allow their garbage here. No. But this court, the Supreme Court, the Waste Management Act, the High Court, there are so many orders which are saying that every village should have its own segregation plant, that every village should be able to treat its own waste. And besides that, we also have a system where hotels or any institution that is generating more than 100 or more than 100 kg bulk generators, they should be treating their own waste. Am I right? So the question here is, first of all, let us not be so proud that only we got a plant. The others also do need. Now why I am bringing this is there will be 4 or 5 levels of action to be taken. First, I would like to speak to Jayesh, who is here as a representative of us in the assembly. You need to take this at that level. You take a study with maybe Dean, with Mario, and with all those who are part of all these petitions. And understand what are the rules, what is expected of us to do what. And that has to be brought up to the assembly and implemented. Okay, you have to continue pushing until it is done. Because I'll tell you, today it is a habit. It is a habit of the government to ignore us and we end up in courts. Just like I was telling my mother.
So what the people are? People have to be serious. Because after all, the people are going to suffer. So we need to think on these points. Now, Saligaon Zor Routine. आमची गालातून एक मोठा एक अपुरी जोरा. Even that is contemplated. But आम्ही कित्याक म्हणटा contemplated? Because we have land in 2 times. आम्ही गालातूनचे use under the terminal of 6 years. We have planned that 2 times. Even that water is protected. जेव्हा इथले झाले, the best point of this plant is the great technology which has been come to. It's outdated technology. I don't know if there is report पळयला आसा. But it is a great technology and आयज आमी same great technology हा आमी expansion करता. I don't know why the government doesn't understand.
But imagine for a 100-ton plant, it was happening at the starting end. What will happen if we get 250 or 200 now? So that's why before it is too late, so let us get together, start working on it, and we'll have a teamwork. And as Mario said, I remember and recollect him during my old days. So let's work together. I have some inputs, I have some points, I have some homework done of mine, so I can give it to you. So we can really do a wonder of it. Because as now you only were saying, right, for 1 ton or 1 truck, 1 ton, they are charging money. And the money is taken from the treasury of the panchayat, from the government. And this is paid to the contractor. I was having a chat with Richard, who was there earlier, and he was telling me the same thing. And he said, I asked him, why did you put up a Hindustan plant over there? He said that everyone has to profit now. And that is the profit which is going over there. Now, no one wants to become a waste management or waste minister. Or they wanted to become a deputy chief minister and then the minister for waste. Why? There is profit in it. I remember that during our time.
जयशा करून आल्या फकड़ा जायना तुमका पंचायती पावर ना प्रत्येक गोष्टी बद्दल मारियन सांगत असे 29 तरेचे तुमका हँडल करपाक एक प्रोविजन आसता 29 तरेची डिपार्टमेंट म्हणजे कितें गार्बेज वॉटर नाळ रोड वॉटर ते 29 गोंयच्या गव्हर्नमेंटान एकूय दिवना झिरो दिला नंतर सांगलें उत्तर प्रदेशात स्वताचे पैसे कारण थोड्या स्टेटींनी केरळा सांगितले 20-25 दिल्या 29 सो वाय यू पीपल आर गिविंग क्वाइट कारण म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमच्या अधिकारात जवळ जाय तुमका रागार जावला तुमका सांगता म्हणून तुम्ही कितें करतात आयज ह्या पार्टीचे निवडून आले की मागीर तो दुसऱ्या पार्टीचो आमदार तेचेर फोटो काडलो आपली पंचायत दिली मागीर तिसरे दिसा हड्डी जाली बदलात समथींग हॅज टू चेंज एंड एज रमेश सेड दिस हॅज टू बी ए कंबाइंड मूवमेंट पळय
entire resolution and the decisions taken will be accommodated in the public interest litigation that will be filed by the Saligaon Civil City Consumer Forum. They will be the party to the petition which is already pending before the NGT. And as everyone has agreed, if need be, we will tell the government to stop the expansion plan now. We request, it's a humble request to the government to please stop the expansion of the plan now. Thank you. We are going to give the memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Waste Management Minister also, and we are going to oppose the entire expansion of the plan. एकूच गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे सांगू शकता की लोकांचो विश्वास करून डोंट ब्रेक द ट्रस्ट तुम्ही जर आता न्यू प्लांट अंबाजे आसात सगळे कडेन आनी तशेंच जर लोकांक तुमी फटींगपणां करून एक्सपान्शन करशात जाल्यार लोक तुमचेर विश्वास करतात इवन काकोरा वायगेनी people will oppose only because they will not feel very secure because तुम्ही आज एक सप्ताह फाल्यां दुसऱ्या सप्ताहांत प्रोग्राम चेंज करून तुम्ही प्लांटाची कॅपॅसिटी सो the summary is we are opposing the plant we will give the memorandum आजचे resolution pass जातले ह्या resolution सगळ्या नागरिकांच्या decline signature जातल्यो and we will send the memorandum to the honorable chief minister.
Panchayat Raj, for the panchayats to carry out their functions, 0 have been given to the panchayats. The only state in India, there are some states having 24 powers, 24 of the functions, some states 12, some states 10, but Goa is the only one with 0. I think our government needs to be proud. Our successive governments have failed us totally. And the reason that whether it is Michael or whoever, I really don't care. The reason that they are able to take decisions at cabinet level is only because these functions are not with the panchayat and still being withheld by the government. These powers need to be devolved to the panchayats. Panchayats need to have their own facilities to process waste. And when we talk about garbage, the only way to solve the garbage problem is by segregation at source. If we want any plant to succeed, currently, I think you all may not be aware, but this plant, out of the 100 tons it was supposed to get, 60% is plastic. What is the point of sending plastic to a waste treatment facility when it can be segregated at source and sent for recycling? Our plants are will 100%, you can extend it to 200 tons or 1000 tons, it doesn't matter. This plant is designed for segregation and selling of what Ashley just pointed out, that the waste RDF that is being generated is only sold to cement factories as fuel. It is going to be burnt there.
We called the ex-MLA from Kalangut, Agnel Bab, Joseph Sikvera, meeting here. We had NGOs, Matai Bab, Saligaon Civic Forum. The meeting was called by both the ZP members were present here. Panchayats, Sarpanchis were present from Saligaon, all 6 Panchayat Sarpanchis, Panch members were present. Surrounding villages, main लोग who are involved in this particular plant, supervising this particular plant, ते असलेले तशेंच आयज सगळ्यांनी येवन एका वॉयसान एका हितून आयज हांवें उलोवन दाखयल्लें आसा की एक्सपान्शन इज डेंजरस for Saligaon, and we all object. There are various reasons cited. There are technical reasons also. There are legally also you have to abide की तुम्ही expansion करू शकना. We have to come to the people. There are apex court judgments where you have to come to the people and explain the people. बाबा तुम्ही कितें करता पळय ते apex courtan stop केलेले आसा on expansion of about 20% capacity जर तूं खंयच्या any government project if you expand you have to go to the people, and in this case 300% of the capacity they are trying to expand without taking people's consent. तेका लागून my sarpanch from Saligaon have invited all the entire Saligaon Panchayat has conducted a meeting. They have called me also. They have called the ex-MLA. Everybody they had called. This was a non-political meeting. This was meeting specially.
जाल्यार ते सुदरचे ना न्हू म्हणून ते आयकुशें आमच्या लोकांचे. सो एकूच प्रश्न आहा ते कोर्टान आदी हांव कोर्टान गेलोलो हांव जिखलोलो रायट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कालावड पंचायत. बट रायट नाव आतां असो टायम पावलो की आमकां सांगलेले 80चो आलो मागीर 100 जालो. दॅट टायम आय ऑब्जेक्टेड when our late Manoj Parekar was there. There was a meeting held here. We didn't come. The Kalamut Panchayat didn't come earlier because we knew that something else is going to happen for this plant. But thereafter, they started the plant. We were not there for inauguration, and suddenly one fine day when it started, the leachate from Saligaon plant came right down in Kalamut. Leachate. And there is a pipe put up in Kalamut near the zone or Mutton zone. So we asked them, we searched the source and we found that at one particular point that pipe is there. So we told them to remove everything. We got the JCB